Hello, and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by Centafex, your reliable partner in trading.
Alibaba rose by 4.9%, closing at $139.02 this Tuesday, driven by positive market sentiment and strong trading volume. The Nikkei index traded at around $37,000 on Wednesday, as Japanese stocks rebounded from multi-month lows amid improving risk sentiment. WTI crude oil futures extended gains towards $67 per barrel on Wednesday, supported by a weaker US dollar and reduced global oversupply forecasts. The Japanese yen strengthened to around 148 per dollar, as growing US recession fears fueled demand for safe haven assets. Bitcoin traded at around $81,700 this Wednesday, decreasing by 1.3% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Bitcoin lost over 15%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the annual inflation rate for February, following 3% in January. At 12:30 p.m., the Consumer Price Index in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 317.7 in January. At 1:45 p.m., Canada will release figures for the interest rate of March, following 3% in February. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 10 a.m., the Euro area to release the industrial production for January, following -1.1% in December. At 12:30 p.m., the producer price inflation in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 0.4% in January. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the initial jobless claims of March 8, following 221,000 in the last week of February.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centafex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.